a demo session. We will be interacting. Okay, so I'll be asking you some questions about yourself, seeing what mistakes you make, how we can improve you. Okay, so you have to communicate.
Actually, first I want to ask you something. I'm um, I'm a YouTuber and I am doing this because I want to upload this video on YouTube. So you are comfortable with this? Only if
Uh,
you are comfortable, only then.
we have a team with us. Okay, we have a clapping good team with us. I'm just the speaker. Okay,
Yeah.
so you will have to get in touch with our team. I think Chirag must have called you
Okay.
to. Okay, so you will have to get in touch with him and the entire team and take their permission before you upload.
You are comfortable because
No, no. The thing is, the team will get in contact with you. The team will get in touch with me. They will see. They have certain rules. Okay, if
okay.
everything is followed, I'm sure they will give you their decision.
Okay, fine.
Okay. And suppose if you are someone who's looking to improve English, now we are conducting this session with the intention that you are planning to improve English. So
Yeah.
let me know what is your aim to improve English. Aim to improve. You're looking. Suppose if you're
Yeah.
coming to this platform to
Okay.
improve English, so what is your main
I
intention?
my
Please.
main intention is just to overcome with my hesitation, like a little bit hesitation that I have. I want to speak very fluently. This is the main thing because I know English. I understand English very much, but I'm not able to speak that on that level that I want to learn and speak. And obviously, the reason is environment. No one is having environment, and that's why I'm here.
I agree.
And my strategies, I think you are asking me for that, right? Like,
Yes, we are thinking of the fact that you are a learner who wishes
yeah,
to improve your English, and that is why you're communicating with me. So I'm
yeah,
trying to
definitely.
help you with it. So this is just a demo session. In the demo session, what we really do is we ask the learner to speak, introduce themselves. We
Hmm.
understand basically where the learner stands with respect to how good their English is, what basic mistakes they are making. We tell them a bit about what we do. See, like you said, you want to improve, your confidence in speaking. You used to become more fluent. So in
Yeah,
that case, I would say yes, we are a proper platform such a thing. Okay, we get a lot of learners who are from different backgrounds. Okay, some have just begin learning English. They struggle to find words, and then there are some people who know English, but they are unable to, verbally speak English. Then
yeah,
there are some people who know English properly, but somewhere they either wish to improve their pronunciation or become more fluent in English, the way you said you wish to become. So we help
yeah,
on different levels. We have different kinds of speakers who come from different backgrounds. Okay, and depending on that, after we analyze the way you speak, what mistakes you make, every time there's a new learner speaker.
yeah,
Today I am your speaker, tomorrow there will be someone else from some other background, but we are pre-informed as to what you hope to learn, what kind of mistakes you are making, what is your aim to improve English. We all know
yeah,
that beforehand, and you don't have to introduce yourself in every session. We just start
yeah.
with the format as to what is the topic of the conversation that day, and
Okay,
we ask you to speak about yourself or something like that, or either about current events or some topic. Okay,
yeah,
and we try and find mistakes in it and help you improve it. Because what happens is you can keep on making mistakes, but once you are
yeah,
aware
definitely.
where you are making a mistake, it becomes more easy for you to correct yourself. Okay, awareness is very important. So we
Yes.
try to find that out and make you aware of it and try to improve it.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, that's
Hmm.
nice. Well, what are your hobbies, Ashwi, apart from YouTubing?
Dancing, swimming, that's it. Yeah, I like both
Okay,
things.
okay. So dancing, like, do you go for Bollywood kind of dancing, or what kind of dancing do you really prefer? Kathak, is it traditional? Is it contemporary? What is it?
Actually, I never think about this because I am not like a daily dancer types. I just used
Mm-hmm.
to dance.
Okay, you used to dance. Okay. One thing you said, you never think about it or something like that. You said
Thought.
that. Yes,
Sorry.
you have to use the past tense. This is how we pick up mistakes. You
Yeah,
understand? Sometimes we stop the learner in between. Sometimes we wait till the end of the conversation, depending on how our rapport is. Okay. So we try
I'm
and
more
correct
comfortable if you pick it in the last.
in the last. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Don't
You know,
worry.
it will not break our communication and not it will not change our topic so that we can
Oh,
continue talk and then you can tell
at
me
the end
about
of.
my mistakes in the end, last 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll do one thing. I'll just note down. Just give me a moment till I get my pen and paper so that I remember, because even I will forget by the end of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Just give me a moment.
Sure.
Okay. Let's get back. You were having some technical difficulties, right, while loading this session
Yeah.
and starting the session. Okay, don't worry. The other thing is we have an auto cut feature. Okay, so like we
Mm.
normally have a 15-minute session. So once
Yes.
15 minutes have passed and there is 19.5 minutes have passed, it auto cuts. Okay, the session
Okay.
will get automatically from the center where it is being conducted. Okay, so
Okay.
gets cut in between. Don't worry, it's the normal feature. Okay.
That's fine. I think you have that timer on the front.
So already I
So
think 16. We have 2 or 3 more minutes. Okay,
how much?
around 3-4 minutes more.
That's it. Oh my
That's it,
God.
because yes, you're supposed to log in properly on time and make sure the session is conducted.
I log in on properly time, but
But this was a demo session. This was a first session, so obviously
never
you have
mind.
technical difficulties. When you take a subscription from our end, okay,
Mm.
every time the sessions are conducted properly, the learner logs in properly on time, we log in properly on time, and it is conducted much more smoothly.
Okay. Good.
Okay. So
So
tell me about your friend circle. Your no, probably you're not maybe comfortable speaking about your personal life. So let's go ahead with. Tell me about Rajasthan. What places in Rajasthan are you proud about? And if I come to Rajasthan, where will you take me?
Jaipur,
Jaipur.
center of Rajasthan, it is very beautiful. Very beautiful place, neat and clean, safe, and lots of heritage places you can see there. Lots of forts and very beautiful places you can see in Jaipur. Jaipur is really beautiful.
As a matter of fact, I've been to Jaipur previously.
Wow. Where are you from? Then?
I'm from Mumbai.
Wow, great.
Okay, I'm from Mumbai. I'm born and brought up here. And I do conduct clapping sessions. It's just part time. Actually, I'm not in this profession. I'm a doctor by profession.
Oh, that's great.
So that's a different.
MBBS,
No, no, I'm a dentist.
dentist. Okay,
Yes.
great.
Okay.
So you are conducting classes,
I
conducting
have been
classes
yes,
since.
I've been associated with Clapping Go for around 4 months now, or yeah.
Okay, is
And
that old?
yes, and I've been taking their sessions as and when they give me. I have my own profession. I do practice my own profession, but during my free time, I do this also. Yes, yes, I
Okay, I
understand
got.
where each speaker in, like India, you come from Rajasthan. So your local language always has an influence on you. It always has an influence on you. The way you pronounce words is different. If if a person comes from Rajasthan or South India or North India. But you will have to try and overcome those local language influences and make sure that we speak English in a proper way.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's
How
fine.
much time left?
I think it should have ended. I think they have extended it. We have a 15-minute session only, ideally. The
Yeah.
demo is always for 15 minutes. Okay,
Okay. And after that,
pardon?
after
It,
that,
after
demo
that,
classes.
yes, I have another demo class.
No. after subscribing you?
See, what happens is we conduct a demo class, okay, for 15 minutes. Then what happens is our team gets in touch with you. After the
Okay.
demo class, someone from Clappingo will call you and ask
Okay.
you whether you are interested in taking subscription for Clappingo,
Hmm.
and they will talk about the fees which is there. Okay, your preferences for speakers, your timings, everything. If you have any other queries or questions, you can clarify it with them.
Okay.
Yeah, and once you take subscriptions, then they allot you the speakers according to them or your preference. And
Hmm.
we are just informed that I have a session at this time with this kind of a person, and this is the main mistakes that the person is made. And we take
Yeah.
your and we go ahead with it. And we have a lot of people who take 1 month sessions, 1 month subscriptions. So every day or something like that, they have sessions. We have 25-minute sessions, we have 15-minute sessions. That is all what the team deals with.
Okay. That's really nice. And in 1 rupees, that's very best thing. At least people will at least started doing it,
Hmm.
started calling you now.
Mhm,
This is the main thing.
mhm,
Because in starting, no one will pay full amount. But
mhm,
there is a good feature of demo classes. I really
mhm,
appreciate this thing of clapping.
mhm, mhm. Yes, Rajasthan, Jaipur. What else in Jaipur? Jaipur has lovely food, I suppose. I really enjoyed Jaipur's food. You have this pyaz ki kachori, which I
Yeah,
really it was amazing. My experience having that was amazing. I still remember that. It's been around 4 years since I've been to Jaipur, and I really like that. I
okay,
really like the food out there. Okay, I had gone there for a professional kind of a meeting. I
okay.
really like the food out there.
Wow.
What do you do in your pastime? Like, do you practice? Like, do you have you joined any company? You've done zoology, you said. Have you taken
No,
in?
I just nothing. I'm not doing anything. I just completed my MSc and no job, nothing. I'm not doing anything.
Do
Just
you
facing
wish to?
COVID.
Okay. Do you wish to pursue your graduation further? Like, do you wish to work in that field?
No, I'm not interested in that. I was just doing because I like science. Uh, but I'm not watching my career in this field, zoology or science or anything. And can you hear that?
Yeah, there's some background. Is it from your end?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
from my side. Corona's gyan.
So I would wish if you will take some of our sessions. It will be really nice. I'm sure you will. It will help you on your journey to improve English.
Yeah, sure. I'll think over it.
Sure. And you being a YouTuber, yes. So I don't know which language do you make your channels in, your videos in? Is it Hindi or do you do it in English?
That is the point. I see. I know I'm not that good in English, but I believe start speaking first and then think over it. Okay, fine. When you speak, you will learn something. You will listen your own mistake, and then you will improve. So I used to speak English on my YouTube channel. I know it. I make lots of mistake there, but still I speak in English there because I
I
used
like
to
your
give
confidence.
advice people. I used to give advice people
Mhm.
that whether you know English or you don't know English, but at least whatever you know, start speaking. Just complete the step first. No, so this is what I am doing first on for me. First, I will apply on myself and
Okay. So Ashvi, it was really nice speaking to you. I hope to see you again in
Ashvi.
future. Ashvi.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I hope to see you in future. And we are winding up our demo session right now here. All the
Okay.
best for your future.
Thank you so much, and same to you. Have a
Oh,
great
yeah,
day.
welcome. Yeah, you can, yes, you can just press the leave button icon and we will end the session.
Okay.
There's a leave button
But
on
you
top. Just
but you
press
told
that.
me
You will.
that it will automatically cut it out.
Yes, sometimes it doesn't happen.
Okay,
We
maybe they
always
are.
time ourselves. The timer is, yes, we always have a 15-minute session. By the end of 15 minutes, we stop the session. Sometimes the people who are handling it, okay, continue it. Sometimes they do not end it, but we make sure that we end it by at least 20 minutes,
Okay, max is 20 minutes.
because maximum, okay, we try, because that is what the time is given to us. Even we have a
Yeah,
schedule, right? I have a session after this, so even I have to join that too.
yeah,
Okay, because
obviously.
I can't keep someone else waiting. We have 2 3 sessions lined up, one after the other,
Okay, no
sometimes.
problem.
Okay,
Thanks
so
for.
we do extend the session. It's not like 15 minutes, it gets ended at 15 minutes. Sometimes it continues for 25 minutes also. Okay,
Okay,
that's not the problem, but at the end you have to end it
yeah, no
somewhere.
problem. Okay,
Okay, all the best.
yeah,
Take care. Bye. Bye.
thanks.
Yeah.